Hey guys, I wanted to share a little bit of information about a canopy that we just got. If you've been watching our other videos, you noticed that we used a canopy called the Summit 170, and it had half walls that dropped down to provide extra shade. It was a 10 by 10 straight leg design and with squared off legs. And it was really nice. It was vented and everything, and we liked it, but it was horrible in wet weather. Because it leaked like crazy, so if there was even a sprinkle or rain that came through, you kind of had to hide inside the trailer, and that wasn't a lot of fun to be stuck indoors. And so as it so happened, we had some friends camping with us, and one of them started to trip on something and grabbed the canopy, and one of the legs folded, so we couldn't salvage it, so we went ahead and tossed it and ordered this one. This is a Eurmax. And this is also a 10 by 10 canopy with straight leg design, but it's significantly more robust. So first thing you'll see is that the legs are octagon shape, making them much more rigid and sturdy, and so not as prone to collapsing when they have weight or stress put on. They've got a quick thumb design on all the attach points, so it's easy to set this thing up and down. You don't have to fight with buttons or anything like that. Just very easy to do. The material itself is, significantly thicker. This is much more robust material. It's all the seams are sealed, so it's not vented like the other one, but all the seams are completely sealed. So this thing, it can be pouring down rain and you'll stay nice and dry underneath it. It's a truss design, making it very sturdy as well. And then all the lower edges have Velcro on them, so you can actually add Velcro walls to this. It comes with one wall, and then you can order more if you want or make your own. We're going to probably make our own walls, but it comes in a variety of different colors, and it's just a really nice canopy. All the corners are reinforced. They've all got D-rings on it, so if you want to, it does have guy wires and stuff that come with it, so you can really stake this thing down so that even in windy conditions you get really good performance. So super excited. Let me show you the carrier that it actually comes with as well, because the carrier was even better than anything I'd seen before. So here's the stakes. They give you decent sized stakes with it. These are the actual guy lines, so you can see they're heavy duty nylon straps with little carabiner clips on them to attach those D-rings, and then a bag. And then this is the bag that it actually comes in. So it's a really heavy sort of canvas bag with large wheels on it, making it easy to tow this thing around. It's nice and open, so that you can easily put it away. It's not like the previous bags where you get a lot of challenges trying to put them away. And then it's got a bunch of D-rings on it and stuff so that you can hold everything nice and secure. So it's a really nice bag that comes with the canopy. Okay, and here it is, almost completely put away. Just got to zip it up. You can see that it's got a little loop strap here that pulls everything tight there, and then it's basically a dolly. So all I gotta do is zip it up now, and it's ready to go be packed away. Okay, so there's everything there is about the Eurmax canopy. We absolutely love this thing. It packs away cleanly. The canopy itself is very rugged. The case and everything is also very durable and everything. So we really like it. Highly recommend it. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave your questions below and comments below. I'll get to those quickly as I can. And if you've got a canopy that you love and you want to share that with the rest of us, I'd love to see it. Love to hear about it. So thanks for stopping by, and see you around the campground.